Finding ways to engage with the world around us while participating in meaningful occupations is challenging. It is especially challenging now for reasons none of us can control. However, one of the remaining places we can participate in leisure and explore our interests is in our natural world outside. You'd be surprised what you may find in your own backyard. The following are some applications, activities, and ideas involving the outdoors to help achieve occupational balance during times of isolation. This first app is a great way to get you outside and engaged with the world around you. It's called Merlin Bird Identification. According to the website, the app is a free, instant bird ID help for 6,000 plus birds for North and South America, Europe, Asia, and Australia. Merlin offers quick identification help for all levels of bird watchers to learn about the birds across the world. After you have downloaded the app, answer 3 simple questions about a bird you are trying to identify, and Merlin will come up with a list of possible matches. After you have completed downloading the app, select the pack for the area that you are in. For example, we're going to select the U.S. Midwest pack. Merlin then creates a list of all the possible birds that we might see in our area. You can then head back to the home page and click Explore Birds to find what birds you are likely to see today. For example, a bird we might see today is the Canada goose. Merlin will show you pictures of the bird, give you facts about the bird, and will even create an audio of what their call would sound like. Let's listen in on a few. If we go back to our local bird list, we can choose another bird to learn about. Let's take the mallard, for example. Another feature that Merlin offers is a map of where this bird can be found during different times of the year. It shows their general location year-round, when they are breeding, non-breeding, and migrating. Let's take a look at one more bird on our list. For example, the red-bellied woodpecker. We can check the map again to see where they can be found. Another great feature of Merlin is their option to upload a picture for bird identification. You can choose to either take a photo or upload a photo. For example, here is a bird we found in our area. We can take a picture of it and Merlin will identify it for us. The next app we are going to show is PlantSnap Plant Identification. With this app, you can identify plants, flowers, cacti, succulents, and mushrooms in seconds with a click of a button on your mobile device. Before we can use the app, we need to download it. So let's demonstrate. Open up the App Store on your mobile device. Click in the search box, PlantSnap Plant Identification. Once you find the app, you can click Get. You then wait for the app to download. After it's done, go to your home screen and open up the app. To identify a plant, you simply need to snap a photo of the plant and the app will tell you what it is in a matter of seconds. According to their website, PlantSnap can currently recognize 90% of all known species of plants and trees, which covers most of the species you will encounter on every country on Earth. Let's find another plant just for fun. Make sure you get a good view of the plant and PlantSnap will do the work for you. Here are some more plants that we found just in our own backyard. We hope after viewing this, you have some ideas and tools to help you engage with the diversity of your local natural world. Thank you.